So you have a criminal record here in New Jersey, and you're looking to get it expunged to get a fresh start in life so that that record doesn't continually hold you back. And you might be wondering or asking yourself, is this criminal record, once I expunge it, ever going to see the light of day ever again? Want to know the answer? Hi, I'm Steve Richardson, and I'm an expungement attorney here in Southern New Jersey. And the answer is, sometimes it can come back. It can be accessed. Now, bear in mind that when you get an expungement here in New Jersey, that record isn't put in a shredder, all right? It's not completely destroyed. They don't take it out of the filing cabinet, put it over in the shredder, and destroy it. What they do is they take it out of the file cabinet and put it into another one that's locked. That drawer is locked away. And only certain people have that key. So that's really what an expungement is. It's a lock, not a shredder. Well, who has the key, and when does that drawer get unlocked? Well, sometimes it can come to light when you're applying for certain jobs. If you're looking to become a lawyer, or a police officer, a corrections officer, anything in law enforcement, they're going to check that, and they're going to find it, and they're going to see it. Now, that doesn't mean you won't get that job, but it does mean they're going to see it, don't think they won't, and you better have an explanation for it and address it in any kind of job interview if you hope to get that job, because they are going to see that. Now, are you a citizen, or are you trying to get citizenship? If you're trying to get citizenship, then the Immigration Service is going to be able to access that as well. Again, it won't necessarily prevent you from getting citizenship, but don't think they aren't going to see it. They will. And another instance where they might, in the criminal system, you get a sort of a one-time get-out-of-free card. It's called a diversionary program. And depending upon the seriousness of the charge, it depends upon the program that is used. If you've been indicted for a crime, there's something called pretrial intervention that can ultimately get the charges dismissed, and you can get on with your life. The arrest is still there, but the charge is ultimately dismissed. That's a pretrial intervention. Lesser charges like shoplifting that are handled in New Jersey's municipal courts, you can get a conditional dismissal of that charge. That's the second kind of one-time pass that you can get. The third is something called a conditional discharge, and that has to do with drug charges and that as well. So, if you've received one of these, and the charges were dismissed and the arrest is still there, and you may be looking to expunge that arrest and expunge any record of that, you can do it. But if you get in trouble again, don't think that the courts aren't going to be able to access that to see, wait a minute, you already played that card before, you don't get to do it again. So, if you're looking for an expungement of your record, it can be of great help despite these exceptions that I've discussed. And if you're looking to expunge a record from here in Southern New Jersey, please feel free to give my office a call at 856-432-4113. We can sit down and discuss your situation and see whether an expungement can help you get on with your life.